Our adjustable steel gate frame makes building timber gates easy and reliable. This extendable gate frame has been designed to help you install a gate that fits into any size space. With both height and width adjustability, it gives you a strong, sturdy base that's built to last, no matter what size you need. The frame comes as an easy-to-assemble kit of parts. The frame consists of fully adjustable telescopic steel joints. Once the joints are in the desired position, simply tighten using the supplied grub screws. Gate eyes and hooks are included to make a strong, robust gate. The gate can then be clad in timber to create your desired finish. Timber rails and boards can easily be mounted and secured directly onto the gate frame using any fencing style you like. Once mounted onto a gate post, the hinges can be adjusted both laterally and vertically to ensure a perfect fit for the frame.